Unraveling For Now, a journey through English phrases. Hello, and welcome to our language learning journey. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and usage of a common English phrase, for now. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English, understanding these phrases can be a game changer in sounding like a native speaker. So let's dive in. The phrase, for now, is a temporal expression used to indicate that something is temporary or limited to the present time. It suggests that the situation is as it is, but it may change in the future. This phrase can often imply hope, uncertainty, or the acceptance of a current situation, but with an eye on how it could evolve. For now is incredibly versatile and can be used in various contexts. It could refer to a temporary arrangement at work, a short-term decision, or even a state of mind. Let's look at a few examples to see it in action. We fixed the leak for now, but we'll need a permanent solution soon. I'm staying with my sister for now, until I find a new apartment. I've put the project on hold for now. I'll revisit it next quarter. In each of these sentences, for now signals that the situation is under control or acceptable, but it is not a final or lasting resolution. While for now is straightforward, some learners confuse it with similar phrases like for the moment or at the moment. While these phrases can often be used interchangeably, they can sometimes carry different nuances. For now has a subtle implication that things will change, whereas, at the moment, might not always have that same implication of impending change. To master using for now, try to incorporate it into your daily conversations or writing. Here are some practice sentences where you can fill in for now in the appropriate spot. I am living with my roommate, blank, but I plan to move out by the end of the year. The store is closed, blank. It will open again at 3 p.m. We are not adding new features to the app, blank. Our main focus is on fixing bugs. That's all for now on this phrase. I hope this video has shed light on how to use for now effectively in your English conversations and writing. Keep practicing, and you'll be communicating like a native in no time. Until our next lesson, keep learning and stay curious.